cyberspace and therefore let's say, a condition by which we can all enjoy cyberspace freely and exercising our fundamental rights in a safe and secure manner. So the CyberPeace is not just a technical element anymore, but more and more, I would say that we have to think about cyberspace as encompassing both, I would say, the digital infrastructure, the information flowing through it, but also the human and institutional interaction that it enables. This is why it's so important nowadays to consider cyberspace not only as a technical dimension, but also how much it relates, for example, with the critical infrastructure that are used to run our societies, for example, in delivering critical services. Cyberspace nowadays, why we need to talk about the safety and security of cyberspace? Because it's shaping economies. And we're seeing it also nowadays with the political systems and also with this sort of like cultural dynamics globally. I think that one of the key aspects and the key challenges of defining cyberspace today is because we are seeing how much is sort of like intertwined with the dynamics that we see at the geopolitical level and at the economic level.
What do you mean by the CyberPeace?
It's a sort of like a status where we can ensure that cyberspace is a safe place for everyone. It's a sort of like status we adhere to. And I would say that the digital resilience is the mean in a way to achieve this. This is why, the Institute was created mostly to consider cybersecurity and the digital resilience, mostly from the angle of civil society. Because if you think about it, historically, cybersecurity has been a sort of like key priority, or I would say mostly dealt in the realm of either countries, so at the state level, international organization, or private sector actors. There was the clear understanding at a certain point that cyber is working for people, and therefore the threats that are impacting cyber and that are related to cyber are impacting people. And the Institute was created to have a neutral and independent actor, on one hand, to expose what the cyber threats are doing to people and society, what it means in concrete terms, not just in terms of data, but in terms of like the harm that they are causing to society and to people. Use this knowledge to better serve those organizations, so to help them in building their digital resilience, and also to advocate at the policymaking level in terms of like, hey, this is what is really happening to people. You need to improve laws and policies.